All right, guys. So this is another Dr. Pompa review. So basically, you asked me to do another review, and this is another review. So I found this article by someone who did the program, as you can see, the before and after experience. And I'll drop the link to this article in the description below so that you can read the full article by yourself. But the part I want to actually, this person paid over 8 grand for this program. It is ridiculous, in my opinion. And okay, the part I want to see is this part, my experience with Dr. Pompa's program. So we said when I first started Dr. Pompa's program, I felt a wave of hope and I was immediately ready to commit. The structure seemed solid, blah blah blah. But not long after starting, challenges began to pop up. My coach changed 3 times during the program, which was frustrating because I had to explain my situation to someone new each time. Communication became a struggle and I often found myself waiting for responses or feeling like my concerns weren't being addressed. On top of that, there was an issue with supplies. One of my monthly supplement shipment never arrived, and despite repeated calls and emails, I couldn't get the missing box. It felt like I was chasing something. It felt like I was chasing for something I've already paid for, and no one seems to care. Seem accountable. Sorry, blah blah blah. So basically, this person paid 8 grand and did not get any results. So I actually recommend that you read this full article. So I'll drop the link to this article in the description below so you can check it out.